Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to log in your account into Discord in your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application or open Discord into any of your browser. Then this page will appear where you can enter your email address or phone number at this upper box. Just simply enter email address and phone numbers which you have connected into your Discord account, and then just simply enter the password into this lower box. Then after that, just simply tap to login button. Let me do this process real quick. And after doing that very easy steps, this Discord account of yours will be opened into your computer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and join our family. Thank you for watching this video.